part 3. Today we're going to mount some point motors. What I've bought is a CDU, toggle switches, PM2 Gaugemaster motors, combi controller and drill bits. Enjoy the video. To start off, we are going to drill a pilot hole. The holes are located on the side of the points, so either S2, 5 or 6. They're on the side just where the little bit pokes out. Next I solder the point motors, so soldering C, A and B. The other ones are intended to be used for DCC. Do be careful when soldering, they are very close to the plastic, so try not to melt it. Once I'm ready to place them, I drill a 6mm hole. Then I mount the motors on. Carefully align them into the hole, then place them. It's recommended that you hand tighten these things. Next, the controller is made. I then mount it down with 4 screws. The toggle switches are mounted using a couple of sheets of paper. Then I move on to the wiring. Starting from the switches, I use connectors, which can save time on soldering. I have soldered some wires. To connect for the CDU, the power from section C on the point motors have to be connected on one side of the CDU. The power for the toggle switches, which are the black wire, which was shown recently, is also connected to the CDU. Next I then connect the powers to the block. It then continues from that block to the other block. Next I make another block for the point motor powers to be connected, so 3 of them. I then solder a couple of wires. As we approach the final stages, the final wires have been soldered using heat shrinker. You can also use a soldering iron to use for heat shrinkers. Next I then use a mini grinder to cut off the rods that are sticking out. So I just chop it off and then just grind it down as you go. You can also use hard cut wires if you do not have a mini grinder. And this is the finishing result. Using the combi single track by Gaugemaster is working good. although I have positions the controller's wrong, but I'm thinking of a fix for that. Overall, the controllers do work well, so don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications button as well, and we'll see you in part 4. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.